What plumbers won't tell you about septic tank solids. Septic tanks quietly manage household waste, but the truth about the solids inside is often overlooked. Many homeowners don't realize that the composition and management of these solids directly affect tank performance and longevity. Understanding the hidden facts can save costly repairs and prevent health hazards. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Key facts about septic tank solids. 1. Composition matters. Septic tank solids include organic waste, fats, oils, grease, FOG, and indigestible materials. Some household items and chemicals slow down decomposition, causing sludge buildup faster than expected. 2. Hidden dangers. Excessive solids reduce tank capacity, leading to backups, slow drains, or even overflow. Overflows can contaminate soil and groundwater, creating serious environmental and health risks. 3. Pumping isn't one-size-fits-all. Many assume septic tanks need pumping on a strict schedule. In reality, tank size, household usage, diet, and chemical exposure all influence how quickly solids accumulate. 4. Microbial balance is crucial. Beneficial bacteria break down waste. Harsh cleaners, bleach, or antibiotics can disrupt this balance, making solids denser and harder to manage. Practical recommendations. 1. Regular inspections. Check sludge and scum levels via inspection ports. 2. Limit harsh chemicals. Use biodegradable cleaners to protect beneficial bacteria. 3. Mind what you flush. Avoid grease, non-biodegradable items, and excess food waste. 4. Tailored pumping. Schedule pumping based on actual tank conditions, not just arbitrary timelines. 5. Protect drain fields. Avoid heavy water usage and landscaping practices that could damage the absorption area. Knowing what plumbers won't tell you about septic tank solids empowers homeowners to protect their system efficiently. Regular monitoring, mindful household practices, and targeted maintenance can prevent costly failures and keep your septic system functioning smoothly for years. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.